As a supporter for Norway, somewhere of course I was rooting for Brazil's loss. But the manner in which Norway actually won did not did not show that they're an underdog team for sure. Even though they're rated as an underdog, but they played the better football that day. And as for Mexico, no, they played really well. I mean, scoring two goals against a top English side, it's not easy. But full credits to England for that matter. Yeah.
Okay, what is your prediction for who will win the World Cup? Is it changed now, or is it the same team that you are supporting?
Well, it's still an open game right now. It's very hard to say. France definitely looks the strongest. But with yesterday's upset, we never know what might happen.
Teams like Brazil and Mexico. So I feel Brazil got defeated because they undermined Norway as an opposition. Because firstly, we see the penalty taking, the Vinicius Junior penalty decision was very vague, and Ancelotti's answer in the press conference was very vague that they looked upon statistics to the penalty takers. But for in game, we have to see who is performing well, who is in form. So that costed Brazil the match, and they were just 35% possession. That's like the worst they have been all throughout in the history of the World Cup. So Brazil undermining Norway was the reason for the defeat. And for Mexico, I would say, since they didn't face an opposition like England yet, although England received a red card, but still Jude Bellingham yesterday was like in English we say he touched every blade of the grass, so he was that kind of player. So it was really good to see him yesterday.
Okay, so what is your prediction changed when you are now new team like Norway is also coming up, and is there any, or are you still an Argentina fan?
I mean, Argentina is making it at least to the final, and if we have some Messi magic on the way, then surely if first time the good one, this twice is the better.
Me, I think so, yeah. Argentina's going to win again and they're going to defend their title.
Okay, so what do you have to say about the defeat of Brazil? Were you expecting that?
I mean, yeah, their main players, all Rafinha and all, they were like injured. So, yeah, I kind of expected that.
Okay, so right now Haaland is like very is upcoming and is being a favorite of most of the people. So what do you have to say about that?
I mean, I like him as a player, but I still go for Messi over that.
It's a huge loss for Brazil team and all.
Do you think your prediction have changed? Who might go to the finals?
Maybe this year also might be France between Argentina.